The Vought F7U Cutlass was a remarkable and controversial aircraft in the annals of naval aviation. Known for its radical design and unconventional performance, the Cutlass represented a bold leap forward in aircraft design, but it also faced numerous challenges that ultimately limited its success. This documentary will explore the history, development, and technical specifications of the F7U Cutlass, offering a detailed look at one of the most distinctive aircraft ever to serve with the U.S. Navy. 1. Design and development by Vought. The Vought F7U Cutlass was designed and built by Chance Vought, an American aerospace manufacturer with a long history of producing innovative and effective naval aircraft. The Cutlass was developed in the late 1940s as part of a post-World War II effort to create a new generation of jet-powered naval fighters that could operate from aircraft carriers. The design of the F7U Cutlass was heavily influenced by captured German research on tailless and delta-wing aircraft, particularly the work of the German aeronautical engineer Alexander Lippisch. Vought's engineers sought to incorporate these advanced aerodynamic concepts into a carrier-based jet fighter that would offer superior performance and handling characteristics. 2. Production timeline and duration. The production of the Vought F7U Cutlass began in 1950 and continued until 1955. During this period, approximately 320 Cutlass aircraft were built. The production run was relatively short, reflecting the aircraft's mixed operational record and the rapid pace of technological development during the early Cold War period. While the Cutlass was one of the most advanced designs of its time, it faced significant challenges in service, leading to its early retirement. Despite these issues, the aircraft played an important role in the transition to jet-powered naval aviation and influenced the design of future naval aircraft. 3. First flight, testing a radical design. The first flight of the Vought F7U Cutlass took place on September 29, 1948. This flight marked a significant milestone in the development of jet-powered naval aircraft, showcasing the potential of the tailless delta-wing design. However, the first flight also revealed some of the challenges that would plague the Cutlass throughout its service life. The aircraft's radical design, while offering some advantages in terms of speed and agility, also led to handling difficulties and stability issues, particularly at low speeds and during carrier operations. 4. Purpose and operational role. The Vought F7U Cutlass was originally designed as a carrier-based fighter and interceptor. Its primary mission was to engage and destroy enemy aircraft, particularly high-speed bombers and fighters, before they could threaten U.S. Navy ships. The Cutlass was also intended to serve as a ground attack aircraft, capable of delivering bombs and rockets against enemy targets. However, its performance in this role was limited by its handling difficulties and relatively low payload capacity. The aircraft's unconventional design aimed to provide superior performance in both air-to-air combat and ground attack missions, but its operational effectiveness was hampered by a range of technical and mechanical issues. 5. Country of origin and primary operational base. The Vought F7U Cutlass was developed and built in the United States, with its design and production centered at Vought's facilities in Dallas, Texas. As a U.S. Navy aircraft, the Cutlass was primarily based aboard American aircraft carriers, from which it conducted its operational missions. The aircraft saw service during the early 1950s, a period of intense technological development and competition during the Cold War. While the Cutlass was not widely exported, it remains a significant part of the U.S. Navy's aviation history. 6. International production and deployment. The Vought F7U Cutlass did not see production or deployment outside the United States. Its unique design and the specific requirements of U.S. Navy carrier operations limited its appeal to other nations. Additionally, the technical challenges and mixed service record of the Cutlass made it less attractive for export. The aircraft's production was confined to the United States, and its operational use was primarily within the U.S. Navy. Despite this, the Cutlass's innovative design influenced future aircraft development both in the United States and abroad. 7. Technical specifications, power, speed, and performance. The Vought F7U Cutlass was powered by two Westinghouse J46WE-8B turbojet engines, each producing 4,600 pounds of thrust. This engine configuration gave the Cutlass a top speed of 680 miles per hour, 1,094 kilometers per hour, at 35,000 feet, making it one of the faster naval aircraft of its time. The F7U Cutlass had a service ceiling of 40,000 feet and a combat range of 600 miles. Its unconventional tailless design featured a highly swept wing and a low aspect ratio, which contributed to its high-speed performance but also led to stability and control issues, particularly at low speeds. The aircraft was armed with four 20mm cannons and could carry a variety of ordnance, including bombs, rockets, and early air-to-air missiles. Despite its powerful engines and advanced design, the Cutlass was plagued by maintenance problems and a high accident rate, which ultimately led to its early retirement. The aircraft's overall length was 44 feet 4 inches, with a wingspan of 39 feet 7 inches. The Cutlass had a maximum takeoff weight of 23,408 pounds, which included fuel, weapons, and other equipment. The Vought F7U Cutlass remains a striking example of post-war aviation design, embodying both the ambition and the challenges of early jet-powered naval aircraft. Its legacy is one of innovation and experimentation, even if it was ultimately a troubled aircraft in service. Conclusion. The Vought F7U Cutlass was a daring and innovative aircraft that pushed the boundaries of what was possible in naval aviation. While its operational record was marred by challenges and setbacks, the Cutlass remains an important chapter in the history of military aviation. Its design and development paved the way for future advancements, and its story is a testament to the ambition and ingenuity of aircraft designers in the early Cold War era.